guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a really simple Dollar Tree DIY, and I'm going to be reusing a lot of the DIYs that I already have, with the exception of maybe two that are something that I got like the very last time that I could actually go to Dollar Tree. Today is work from home. We bring in our kids. We got no choice. Halani. You want to go? Yeah. Okay, bye. Bye. Say bye, guys. Bye, guys. If this is your first time here, welcome, and thank you so much for joining me. I would love it if you became part of the DIY family by subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. I feel like I've been looking like Miss Trunchbull all week long, so I actually did my makeup today, and I honestly did not want to dry my hair, so hot mess express. All right, let's get on to the DIY. Oh no, before I go on to the DIY, I almost forgot about the shout outs. Thank you guys so much for being part of the DIY family. You already know, if you want a shout out, make sure you guys leave it down in the comments. If you want to shout out someone else, do that too, and you guys will show up right here. All right, now let's get on to the DIY.
Alright, so here's a little sneak peek of the 5 DIYs that I did, and I honestly don't know what to call it. I really don't know what style it is. I don't know if it's like a rustic, vintage, shabby chic, or all of the above. Help me out in the comments and let me know what style you think this fits into. So we're going to start out with this serving tray. It was inspired by this Wayfair 2-piece serving tray set, which you guys can see. Mine looks nothing like this, but I promise you the intention was there to make it look like this. Since it didn't work out, I went ahead and changed it. That's the beauty of DIYs. You do it yourself, how it fits your style. So if something doesn't work, make it into something else. So I will be reusing a different DIY that I did a while ago. Not a while ago, maybe a few videos back. So I'm going to be using this part of the tray, which I used 2 of these wall decor hanging plaques from Dollar Tree, and then I just hot glued them together. Taking some of this vinyl liner, I cut a round piece to fit the tray, and using some tacky glue, I'm just going to glue it on there. So either way, I'm going to share with you guys what I was going to try to do to begin with. So I took one of these little tin saucers from Dollar Tree. I don't know if it's like a dog bowl or cat bowl or whatever. And it doesn't really matter what colors I was trying to use because it didn't work out anyways. And I did take someone's advice to use an old sock so I don't waste paper towels and such at this time. So I was trying to get that color like in the original tray, but it didn't work out. So I ruined it on purpose just so that I would go with something different. So to make the little rings around it, I'm using this floral wire from Dollar Tree, which is nice and sturdy but still bendy. So it's not like flimsy or anything like that. So just cutting some pieces that are going to be the perfect size, I guess, to make those rings so that they're not too big or too small. And then I did just use some wire cutters for that. So after they're all cut, I did take my little bottle of paint, which is a bigger size bottle, and I made the form to go around that. And it bends super easy. You don't have to force it or anything. I was going to paint these pieces also to match the original stand, but again, since it didn't work out, I decided to just leave it as is. So this kind of set the tone for the gold tone in this DIY.
Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever, and I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. And I think to myself, and I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time.
The first piece of wire made enough for 17 pieces, and my second wire will finish off the last piece, and then also will go around the tray, and you'll have a little extra left over.
Glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever, and I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. All the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them.
So I wasn't sure what I was going to use to make this look nice, but it just so happens that I had this gold candle holder that I got from Goodwill. I've used this for several DIYs as well, and it matches perfectly with the gold on the ring, so I'm just going to go ahead and use this. Shop your home, figure out what you guys have. You know, don't worry about not going out and being able to shop, because I'm sure you guys have plenty in front of you.
But looking back, I can see it's all clear. I'm still a kid trying to act like the young.
So next is decorating my tray, and we're going to start out with this little vase or floral arrangement. And again, I'm going to upcycle these 2 terracotta pots from a different DIY. They're just 2 of the medium terracotta pots from Dollar Tree that were painted with like a whitewash with acrylic paint. And then taking the leftover piece of wire, I'm just going to wrap it around the pots and add some flowers to it. For this next one, I will be recycling this small terracotta pot from Dollar Tree, and then also DIYing this wooden stand, which also was made by Megan with Glue Guns and Roses. So I will link her video down below because she has some really awesome DIYs in that video as well.
That I wouldn't grow wiser for each day. Am I the only one lost in translation, where nothing makes sense anymore?
Wooden stems are from Dollar Tree as well. They're newer to my Dollar Tree. I can never find them, so I finally did. I was almost going to go outside and chop some wood just for this, but I thought maybe this would be easier. So I'm really glad I found them. And so I'm just going to take like 7 of them and putting them in a circle, just going to glue them together. I actually was going to use this as the little terracotta pot stand. You can use this as a coaster, as a candle holder, or even I had an idea of putting my DIY terracotta planter on top of this, which it looks really nice. But either way, you guys can use it however you want. So last but not least, to finish off my Wayfair inspired tray decor, which the decor is not Wayfair inspired, the Wayfair inspired is only the tray. Anyways, I'm using this little chalkboard stand from Dollar Tree. These are newer to my Dollar Tree as well. And then I'm just going to be using this pudding colored acrylic paint from Dollar Tree. I don't know what color it is, it doesn't say, but it literally looks like pudding, and also it's kind of crappy paint, so I wouldn't recommend it for much else unless you're going to mix it with good acrylic paint. So mixing it with some khaki Craft Smart paint and then just a tiny bit of plaster of Paris. This color is going to basically make the same mix color that matches the edges of the tray, if you guys saw those.
Driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car.
For the lettering, I will be using my thickers that I got from Tuesday Morning. I've tried searching them on Amazon, but I can't really find them, and these I got like on a clearance section, so I don't know where else to find them, to be honest with you. So I'm just gonna take the smile sticker, because these times, you guys, we need to smile. We need some positivity in our lives. So other than the stickers, you guys could always do the hand lettering or the rub-on transfers. You know, do with what you have. Do with what, yeah, I think that's how you say it. So I'm just gonna really just stick it on there because it is a sticker after all. Balancing on a weary line, 2
scared to trust you and jump down. I'll keep my status quo up here, won't let anybody come near. I'll fix it on my own. 29 years I've been the same, trying so hard to run from shame. But how long can I keep up the pace? To fool myself I don't need grace. Will you be there to catch my fall? Need to be sure you'll hear my call. Darkness around me and I don't know why it's so hard to let go. Why it's so hard to let go. I know I'll meet you down the line. You'll ask why I wasted my time, and I'll say I didn't know better. But the truth is I was weak and scared, afraid of the blame. 29 years I've been the same, trying so hard to run from shame.
If you did enjoy this video, I would love it if you guys gave me a thumbs up. Leave me your comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget your shout outs, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye! Lani Banani! You so funny! Spicy! Girl, where's your headband? Where's your hair thingy? Oh no, Mama! It's okay. You need help? Okay, I'll help you.